Okay, so one of the things you're going to find when you go to any tourist spot in Japan, actually in a lot of cities, you're going to find something like this. Chris here. I just want to say, please subscribe to this channel for awesome content every week. Kanpai, which is cheers in Japanese, and now back to the show. This is like a gold soft cream ice cream. Dai Butsu, which is Buddha, the Buddha, the god, right, from Buddhism. And Kinpaku means gold, right? So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. You see, this normal ice cream would be 400 yen, 430 yen, so $4 or so, right? This is 900 yen, so not say $9. Anyway, a little bit expensive, but we're gonna go for it anyway. Let you know how it tastes. So. 1個だけKinpakuのやつ. Now we can't get too close because the staff doesn't want their face in the video. Okay, so we can get the gold one, but we can get them here and get vanilla, chocolate, green tea, mangoes, or Lumane. What's soda. Lumane is like a soda one. Interesting. Never had it before. どっちがいい? So we're going standard vanilla. Vanilla. Okay? And I'm paying with a 10,000 yen note, which is roughly $100, which is very not, in America to carry around $100 is very unusual, but in Japan this is totally normal. Still very much a cash society here. Hi. Hi. 930円 ?900 円じゃなかった Actually, I just caught her making a mistake. She wanted to charge me 430 yen, which is a little over $4, roughly $4.30. When it says $9, I'm like, are you sure? I corrected her. But you're gonna notice something here on Little Unusual. I got this mic right here, right? There's a funny story about this. I don't like how this is looking here, but I'm gonna fix it later. So. This is a wireless mic. I use it for all my videos by myself. I use a shotgun mic when I'm doing interviews. But anyway, normally I connect it to my belt here. Then it's connected via a wire right here. The wire goes right there, but the lavalier broke. I don't know how that happened, so the lavalier's not working, so we're connecting it here for this video. Gonna have to buy a new lavalier mic on Amazon later on today. Can't wait for this ice cream to come. Unfortunately, we can't show you her making the ice cream because they requested not. Actually, they have a sign over here. Check this out. This actually occasionally does happen in Japan. It says here, SNS, please don't upload any of the staff's pictures or videos. There's certain places that they ask for that, so we gotta respect that request. So unfortunately, I cannot show you making the ice cream like I've done in previous videos. But you're gonna see me eat it. We're gonna try to take this without getting her face in. So that's how they get the gold on there. Right, there's a. Okay. 顔取ってないんです。はい。あ、そうか。So here we go. Okay, it's practically melting. We literally walked just like literally 2 minutes to this river, I don't call it a pond. It's already melting. Here we go. Gonna lose this thing here in a second. It's hot in Japan today, so this is melting like crazy. We decided we wanted to sit down and eat it right here. All right, so I'm gonna try the gold. Actually, this one has a bit of a taste. See, this is the vanilla as usual. Let me try this one. Actually, it doesn't have any different taste. I have to be honest with you guys. This is like the 5th time I've tried this. And then 3rd or 4th time, sorry. It's a gimmick. The Gold has no special taste whatsoever. You want to try a bite? Come to me, do. Adriata Goloka. So she's gonna try it here and see what she thinks. She doesn't want to be on camera, guys. I'm sorry, my friend. Dole. It's in English there. No taste, right? No taste, yeah, no taste. So you're basically paying $9 for a normal ice cream and just so it looks cool with gold. All right, this is Chris from Beers in Japan. I gotta eat this thing before it melts in my hand. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you dislike this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button, that's fine too. If you have any ideas for videos, comment below. Comments are great, right? Comment on this video. Cheers, we'll see you next video.